Then there are the most evil species we know in the universe, who are called the Draconian Reptilians, from the star system Draco. They appeared on Earth over 1 million years ago before the Sirians, but after the Lyrans. They are scaly lizard-face aliens with muscular humanoid bodies who are at heights around 12-14 feet. If we had to pick out one particular race in the cosmos and call them the bad guys, or even a biblical Satan, it would definitely be this species. They feed off low frequencies, fear, blood and death. Being one of the most ancient of species in the universe, they believe they have dominion over all beings on every planet. They are also natural-born shapeshifters and can shapeshift into anyone. Their lifespans stretch to 25,000, 50,000 years. Heavily built, these reptilians are said to be a violent race whose culture is based heavily on war. 400,000 years ago, they were driven off planet or underground by the Anunnaki Sirians and Lyrans, where they are said to still reside today in a network of complex underground tunnels, channeling humans from lower astral demonic frequencies. They have been permanently on Terra, also known as Earth, for over 15,000 years, and sporadically for much longer. They have colonized over 500 planets by means of infiltration through governments and other leadership positions, and have a presence on thousands of planets. They feed off all mammal species and consume live flesh blood, and both sources of nourishment are, in fact, intrinsically linked. It is easy to understand when you consider that flesh and blood have low etheric frequency, especially when imbued with the vibration of fear and pain experienced at death. There is also a very strong reason why they do not want to let go of the ownership of Earth, also known as Terra, adrenochrome, a substance produced on Earth by children submitted to extreme pain and fear, and more valuable to reptilians than anything else in the universe. This highly prized drug, excreted from the human body through a needle that you place in the left eye or back in a vertebra of the spine, gives them a kick. It helps their body cells regenerate and also benefits in the shape-shifting process, which lasts longer. This is the main reason why Terran Earth abductees are trafficked by extraterrestrial reptilians disguised as organized crime societies such as corrupt governments and cartels. This is the main reason why Earth abductees never return, especially children being used as food or slaves. They also abduct female beings on a large scale in order to create hybrid offspring to be sent away to other colonized planets, or otherwise these offspring become powerful members infiltrated in the main leading societies.
I know you can see the divergence in time. What did Q do in the past?
I communicate with a lot of different beings, reptilians. They feed off of energy. The reptilian chief said humanity is suffering. They're having a lot of issues, but so is my species. Originally, there were a lot of priests and priestesses that would open portals of light, and then these beings would feed. They're starving because these portals have been closed up since a long time ago, and they're having to feed off of humanity.